kindly cut the strip of the desired size or the exact size as the hole provided for the cutting. Adjust the press to suitable height for the die, and as you can see, first use the cutting die to do the cutting. After finishing the first cutting operation, you'll see the first cut as it's shown here right now. Now remove the cutting die and you'll see the samples as shown here right now from the first by doing the first using the first cutting die. So now after removing the cutting die, you put the stamping die. The holding attachment is like that, and make sure you do not press too much, otherwise the punch will break. Okay, this is a finished piece after you did the stamping, but you have to make sure that you don't move the press way too much, or you don't move the wheel or handle too much, otherwise the die will break. You turn the wheel only little bit or slightly. Do not turn too much, otherwise the die will break and can damage the die. As you can see, this does not require too much force.
ज़्यादा मत मारो ऐसा. Yes.
पीस आया तो दिखा देना, पीस भी हाथ में लेकर आ गया. After the second operation, you'll get sample like this. Now remove the stamping die and put the third set of die, or the final thing to give the shape. In the final step, make sure the die is aligned properly so that it does not break the punch. And in this step also, it does not require too much pressure, or the operator has to move the wheel very slowly. This operation must be done very slowly and by moving the wheel gently, and does not require moving of wheel weight too much.
एक मिनट बंद करो.
Welcome. This is the showroom of Machine Tool Traders. Now we will show you the machines required for making gold hollow tube. This one here is a ball making machine. This one here is a draw bench. This machine here is a hollow tube making machine, and a precision strip cutter is also required, as shown here, for the precise size of the ball to be made. This is a smaller version of the draw bench. After cutting the strip, gold strip in the required size from the strip cutter, here you have to feed the same in this hollow tube forming machine, which gives the hollow tube, which has to be then welded, and then after welding the tube you can draw it in the size, final size that you require. And after the tube is welded and drawn to the exact size required, you can make a hollow ball using this ball making machine. Here behind the tube drawing or the tube drawing machine are the different gold chain making machine, as well as gold chain cutting machine, as shown here, and this is the gold chain hammering machine.
Once the circle is formed, you have to remove the pin as shown, and then you take out the die, na?
Carrier pulley.
Huh?
Carrier pulley.
Carrier pulley. Take out the carrier pulley, and then you have to loosen the nut,
Lock.
the lock as shown. And then the formed circle will come out. As shown. Once the ring is formed of 200 mm, then you put it on the bench wise to make it straight after doing the cutting of the initial portion, as shown.
Cut by hand or grinder?
Yeah, you can do it by hand or by the grinder. Now to remove the twist, you put it on the bench wise. This is a heavy duty number 5 rapid bending machine. Now we are showing you how to feed the pipe to make it into a circle. This is like 20 mm dia pipe, and we are making it into a circle of 200 mm. Oh dear.
Okay, here is the variable frequency drive fitted combined sheet and wire rolling machine. To turn on the machine, first after giving the supply, you can check the display. It should show 0 speed as it's showing now. Then you may select the reverse or forward direction as you wish to run the machine. After selecting the direction by selector knob, you can then start the machine by pressing the green button, and the display will show the speed of the roller. You can see that the rolling mill has started, and you can increase the roll speed by moving the speed knob as shown. As you move the knob, the speed of the roller increases, as you can see now, and it will be displayed on the display unit. The roller speed will be shown on the display unit also.